As you can see, this is the '89 Chevy Caprice Classic, and this is the one I've been working on for a while. And finally I got white walls, hubcaps, and I'm working on it slowly but surely. I've been working on it, but now guess what broke? The shift lever knob broke off. So I was wondering if there's anything on YouTube that would show how to install this, and I haven't found anything, so I thought I'd make a video on it. I ordered it from eBay, got it, came like this, and the way I think this goes on is that you put it on like this, and it's got two holes in there, and those two holes I would imagine it's for the bring this down, the tilt wheel is for the for these the two studs that are here. Let's see. I think that's how it goes in. Well, I can't do this with one hand, so let's see if I can do this up like this. Now, I'm going to have to align it with the two holes in there for the studs. There we go. It went in there. So you have to get the holes in there like so, and then you're just gonna have to hit it gently until you drive it all the way in there, and that's what I'm going to end up doing, but I'm going to have to put the camera down, so hopefully I can see what I'm doing here. No, it's not. I'll put a rag here so I can hit it and won't damage it. That's going in there. Going in there.